sun is covered with clouds, with dark clouds. So at this moment you won't be able to see the sun clearly. It's hidden behind those dark clouds, but that golden color which you can see at a distance, that looks lovely. That golden sky, golden clouds, that looks lovely. Check the view, guys, check the view. Awesome, guys, awesome view. I'll give you a walk around of the beach, guys, so that you can see the beach from all the angles, from all the corners, and you can enjoy the beach. So you can see the golden color of the sky. Every day sun rises and bring in hope and new life. Actually, you should be thankful to God that you are alive today, in this new day, in this new sunrise. So every day thousands of people die all over the world, and you should be thankful to God that you are still alive. So we should be thankful for each and everything, and thankful for everything we are enjoying in life, whether it's small or big. The sunrise also tells one more thing. The thing which goes up, it has to come down one day. So if you are at the top in your business or in your job, one day you'll get down. You won't be at the top all the time. So every day sun rises and every day sun sets on the other side of the beach, and this is how things work. If you are at the top of your business or at the top of your job in the company which you are working, you won't be at top all the time. You won't be Amitabh Bachchan all the time. One day you have to come down. So you should start preparing for that. So it's like that. Sun teaches lots of things. So guys, you can see it's a nice, awesome, lovely beach. You must come over here and enjoy life. And you should stop worrying and start living. Stop worrying and start living your life. Life is very beautiful. It depends upon you whether you make it a happy life or you make it a sad life. It depends upon you. You are the architect of your future. You are the architect of your life. So everything is in your hands. See, such a nice place. See, one doggy is here. Doggy with puppy with mama. Puppy and mama. This is the doggy. That is the puppy. So guys, these are the kayaks, small boats which you can take on rent. They take around 200 rupees per day, and you can use that. It's very nice. And South Goa is famous for these kayaking trips. You can take these small kayaks on rent and you can go into the sea and enjoy. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel and press the notification button so that you can get notification of upcoming videos. Some more good videos on Goa are coming, so do like and subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching.